welcome to another episode of the Fat Suit Diaries. I'm Aditi. Now guys, last week we spoke about dieting and fixing our diets, but then a lot of people tend to think that dieting means starving, like dieting is not no food. Dieting is not starving yourself. Dieting is not almost dying. No. That is torturing yourself. When I say diet, you're supposed to eat in moderate quantities. Okay? You're supposed to eat carbohydrates, you're supposed to eat proteins, you're supposed to eat fats because your body needs them, but not excessive. Like, don't just be like, Aditi said that we should eat fats. Okay, bring the chocolates. No, we're not doing that. Everything is needed in a moderate quantity. Even too much of protein can be bad on your body. But then everything in a moderate quantity is good. And please, when I say diet, do not starve yourself. Do not live off only boiled vegetables or salads because your body needs every kind of protein that it can get. And also, how was your week? Okay, how was it without Nutella? It was kind of difficult for me, but then I made it through. Okay, with Panda San Bubble Butt because he is my positivity mascot. Yes, you guys have to get a positivity mascot. It can be a panda, it can be a pet, it can be a door. No, actually no. Hugging a door is difficult and my bed is my life. I love sleeping. So hugging a door is difficult. So just pick a positivity mascot that, that's easier. It's like my panda right here. Anyways guys, also I wanted to say that if you guys don't like walking, you can probably go for Zumba classes, you can go on dance classes. Also, if you don't want to go for dance classes, you have so many video tutorials on YouTube. You can watch those, you can learn, and dance is a lot of fun. I love dancing, so when I get too lazy to go for a walk or too lazy to go to the gym, I just pick one of these dance tutorials and then I get started. And also guys, coming to the challenge of this week, it's a little hard one, okay? I know most of you are going to hate me after this, but it is no chocolate, okay? Not only no chocolate as in chocolate in physical form, but no ice cream, no chocolate ice cream, no chocolate cupcakes, no chocolate muffins, no chocolate cookies, nothing, no chocolate sauce. I know it's going to be a little difficult, and this is another week without Nutella, but then this is all for our good, right? So hit like if you did not eat Nutella the entire week, and also comment below whatever you think are your sin foods. Sin foods, as in I am like this crazy killer for ice cream. I love ice cream, and yeah, and chocolate, and cookies, and cake. Basically anything that is not good for me. But I'm not saying that eating chocolate or eating cake is bad, but it's not good. Eating it once in a while is good. Eating it all the time, not good. Okay? And so we should eat it in moderate quantities once in a while. And also guys, according to what most dietitians say, drinking water is very important. So please make sure you drink 7 to 8 glasses of water a day, because apparently it flushes your toxins out or something. So yeah, flush it! Yeah, go flushing it. So that's it for this week. See you all next Saturday, and remember, no chocolate. And you guys can send in your food journals, you guys can send any advice, any tips, any recipes, any exercise regimes that you have. You can send it to me on Twitter, you can send it to me on my email address, which is again in the description below. And also you can join me on the Nike app, walk with me. We can motivate each other, because that is what this entire thing is about. Keeping each other motivated and keep losing weight. So see you all next Saturday, and I love you so much. Thank you so much for the support that you guys give me. It means a lot. And please like, share, comment, subscribe, and yeah, when I said share, just share it with any person who you think would relate to this, any person who would need this kind of motivation, because so many people out there who need this kind of motivation. I'm saying this kind of motivation. My vocabulary is there. Bye!